Hey, welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I'll show you the world's most expensive cars in the world. Well, let's start. Here is the contents of my presentation. I'll let you know brief introduction of supercars, what is supercars, list of top 10 most expensive cars in the world, details of every supercar, then I'll conclude. Supercars. A supercar is a very expensive and a high performance sports car or a Grand Tourer. Supercars are marketed by automakers as unusual and include limited production special from an elite automaker, standard looking cars modified for power and performance, as well as models that appeal to enthusiasts from small manufacturers. What is supercar? A supercar is the car that combines speed, handling, unique designs and represent the pinnacle of the automobile. Supercar is the car equivalent of a supermodel or a racehorse. There are, of course, some basic criteria for measuring whether a car should be considered a supercar or not. Things to consider: design, acceleration, top speed, handling, power to weight ratio, style, rarity, price. All of these has to be super in a supercar. The Lamborghini Miura, produced from 1966-1973, is often said to be the first supercar. Well, here is the list of the top 10 most expensive car in the world 2020. With our ranking, we have done more than just select the most modern vehicles with the highest price tag. We have factored in the rich history of select auto design houses, the pedigree of a Grand Prix winning supercars, adjusted decades old auction prices for inflation, and found the expensive luxury vehicles so priced they are not even on the market. Well, let's start. Number 10. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC, the best road car. The Huayra BC Roadster is an open-top variant of the Huayra BC. It shares the same aerodynamics part as present on the BC but has more powerful 6.0-liter twin-turbo charged V12 engine rated at 800 PS and 1001 Nm of torque. The 7-speed extract sequential gearbox with a single clutch used on the Roadster is 35% lighter than a contemporary dual-clutch gearbox. Production of the Roadster will be limited to 40 units only. The Huayra BC Roadster top speed is 210 miles per hour, that is 337 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $3.4 million, that is 25 crore. Number 9. The Lykan Hypersport, best car to drive. The Lykan Hypersport, the skyscraper jumping Furious 7 supercar, is a Lebanese limited production supercar manufactured by W Motors, a United Arab Emirates based company founded in 2012 in Lisbon with the collaboration of Lebanese and Italian engineers. It is the first sports car to be designed and produced indigenously in the Middle East. There is only 7 units of Lykan Hypersport in the world. The Lykan Hypersport top speed is 245 miles per hour, that is 394 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $3.4 million, that is 25 crore. Number 8. Bugatti Veyron Mansory Veyron, the best luxury ride car. The Veyron gets an asterisk because technically it wasn't produced by Bugatti. The Veyron Veyron was a limited edition built by tuners Mansory. Either way, it is ridiculous and its estimated 3.5 million price tag puts it well within the realm of one of the most expensive cars ever. The company built just 2 examples, each with an outrageous carbon fiber accented exterior, a black and white leather and carbon cabin, and a 1200 horsepower Veyron engine underneath. The top speed of this car is 254 miles per hour, that is 408 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $3.5 million, that is 26 crore. Number 7. The Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, the best sports car. Automobile Lamborghini is presenting one of the most exceptional super sports car of all time. The Lamborghini Veneno Roadster is an open racing prototype with an extreme design and breathtaking performance. and it is one of the world's most exclusive automobiles. Not more than 9 units will be built during the course of 2014. The Venano Roadster is extreme and guarantees an intense driving experience because open means truly open. There is no roof, just a strong rollover bar for optimum safety. The design is focused on optimum aerodynamics and stability through fast corners with a handling akin that of a racing prototype. Yet, it is fully road legal car. There is only 9 units of Venano Roadsters in the world. The price tag of this car is $4.5 million, that is 34 crore. Number 6. Koenigsegg CC-XR Trivetta, the best mid-engine sports car. Trivetta is a Swedish abbreviation that translates into 3 words. The Koenigsegg visible carbon V bodywork is renowned around the globe for its uniqueness and perfection. The Trivetta was originally intended to be a limited edition of 3 examples. The white carbon fiber used for the Trivetta made the car extremely difficult and time-consuming to manufacture. However, a decision was taken to make the car even more exclusive and limit the number of Trivetta made to just 2. Koenigsegg CC-XR Trivetta top speed is 254 miles per hour, that is 410 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $4.8 million, that is 36 crore. Number 5. Bugatti Divo, the French hypercar. The Bugatti Divo is a mid-engine track-focused sports car developed and manufactured by Bugatti Automobiles SAS. The car is named after French racing driver Albert Divo, who raced for the Bugatti in 1920s, winning the Targa Florio race twice. The car takes inspiration from Bugatti Type 57 SE Atlantic along with the Bugatti Vision GT concept in terms of the design and has track performance as its main focus. The interior in the Divo is relatively similar to more luxurious Chiron but has an Alcantara upholstery and a carbon fiber trim in order to save weight. There is only 40 units of Divo in the world. The top speed of the Bugatti Divo is 236 miles per hour, that is 380 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $5.8 million, that is 41 crore. Number 4. Maybach Exelero, the best large car. The Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero is one of commissioned by Flolda, a German subsidiary of Goodyear, to test its new tires. The Exelero debuted in 2004. Mercedes built the Exelero on the bones of a Maybach and gave it the same twin-turbo V12 engine producing 690 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque. Top speed is listed at 218 miles per hour, that is 350 km per hour, and adjusted for inflation, the Exelero would cost more than 8 million in today's money. There are only 12 Exceleros in the world. The price tag of this car is $8 million, that is 61 crore. Number 3. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Sweptail is a truly magnificent car exuding the romance of travel for its own sake. Rolls-Royce's history as the world's leading coach builder is at the very core of its identity. The automotive equivalent of haute couture, Sweptail is a result of inspiration from a special patron's admiration of his favorite cars of the early 20th century, as well as many classic and modern yachts. Swell's tapering and elegantly falling waist rail, the flowing roof line and a distinctive Sweptail are all desires that Rolls-Royce owned and crafted into a motor car that, without question, fits to the Marquis DNA. There is only one car in the world. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail top speed is 150 miles per hour, that is 241 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $12.8 million, that is 97 crore. Number 2. Bugatti La Vittoire Noir, the most expensive car of 2020. This car is also known as the Black Car. Bugatti, a French classic car manufacturer, decided that their 2019 supercar needed no flash introduction, or no new marketing than stating it for what it was, simplicity itself, and a new icon in the vehicular industry. Jean Bugatti launched a beautiful Type 57 SC Atlantic vehicle in the World War II. La Victor Noir is dedicated to the memory of that beloved car, and that care and history are woven into every square inch of the vehicle. However, with a handicraft carbon fiber body, quad turbo W16 8.0-liter engine, this car has been precision engineered for performance as well as sentiment. When it is debuted in 2019, it was the most expensive new car available for purchase. Only 4 of the Type 57S Atlantics were ever made, and one is owned by designer Ralph Lauren and valued at $40 million. The Bugatti La Noir's top speed is 260 miles per hour, that is 420 km per hour. The price tag of this car is $18.7 million, that is 142 crore. Number 1. 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO, most expensive car ever. The most expensive car in the world of all time. What does winning the 1964 Tour de France get you? Value that, according to some, cannot be measured in a mere money. Only 36 of these cars, debuted the Picasso of motoring world, were made between 1962 and 1963. The specific car not only won the 1964 Tour de France but placed fourth in Le Mans, the other iconic motor race. It's road legal, it has a top speed of 174 miles per hour and 280 km per hour, and it can go from 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. Still, all these years later, a faster acceleration than most roller coasters. In 2018, the vehicle, also known as the Holy Grail of Ferraris, changed hands for a rumored and record-breaking $70 million. Owning it has given its own entrance to a secret by invitation only club of 250 GTO owners who meet for luxurious events in the Chico locales across the globe. The value of this car is $70 million, that is 533 crore. Well, these are all the most expensive car of the world. Let's conclude. Here's a quick recap of the 10 most expensive cars in the world. Number 10, Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. Number 9, W Motors Lykan Hypersport. Number 8, Bugatti Veyron Mansell Vivere. Number 7, Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Number 6, Koenigsegg CC-XR Cervetta. Number 5, Bugatti Divo. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz by Maybach Escalero. Number 3, Rolls-Royce Swepchill. Number 2, Bugatti La Victor Noir. And the number 1, 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO. For more details, you can follow me on my blog, that is autopsychotechyd.blogspot.com. You can also mail me at yatendrudaksh95@gmail.com. You can also tweet me at yatendrudaksh, and you can also follow me on Facebook by autopsychotech. Well, thank you. I hope you enjoyed our list of the 10 most expensive cars in the world.